Right, so you may or may not have seen in the last video I posted, clutch slip. I've been running just over 300 brake, which is a safe stage 1 map, but unfortunately Volkswagen cheap out on the manual clutches. DSGs are really strong. You don't have to strengthen them to, I believe, about 500, which is great. But the Golf R and the GTI manuals, you do have to change them as soon as you map them, really. This has only been on for about 2,000 miles, the standard clutch. It was fine before, and it's blown to shreds. I went RTS here. You have to pair that with a flywheel, and I went SACHS. Unfortunately, I didn't get any videos of that because I put them straight in the car and forgot about it. Full stage 2, it's advisable to put an intercooler in just to help with the temps of the turbo, get a bit more cold air in there. I went with this CSK one. I've never heard of the brand, but it's like the Chinese Miltech. Does the job. It's fine. Packaged brilliantly. I have to cut the clip here because I could not get this intercooler out to save my life. You get a black silicone hose kit with this particular one. I think you can get it in blue and red as well. Not 100% sure. It's slightly bigger than standard. You also get some new clamps. The intercooler itself is slightly bigger as well. It's metal, feels good, the quality is good. I couldn't find any faults with it. It's on the car now and it's working perfectly. Full stage 2, you also need a downpipe. As you can see, this one has been on the car for a few thousand miles. I had to take it back off, but now it's going back on. Sounds nice out the back. Stock Volkswagen cat back, sounds lovely. Maybe do a res delete in the future, not sure. Go into it in depth at some point. Here they are together. Here they are in the boot, ready for Rhino Motors. Stay tuned.